he would get like nerve sensations in his back, and he would get really twitchy and really anxious, and he would rip out the fur. He hasn't been doing that since we've been coming here, and I think this is our 4th or 5th treatment now.
Yeah.
Like, after the first time, he was so much better, and the fur's starting to come back because he's not ripping it out anymore.
That's awesome.
Like, I'm so happy. I know he's happy even if he doesn't show it.
He hates it. I know, it's all right. Cool.